There is something about food and rainy weather, right? It just makes everything feel warmer.
Yes, it's a perfect day for comfort food. I made soup earlier. Hot, spicy, full of vegetables. I love soup on rainy days.
That sounds perfect. I had toast and eggs about an hour ago. I don't usually eat late, but today felt cozy, so I said, why not?
That's the best kind of day. I think about food a lot. Not just what to eat, but what food means. Its memory, mood, habit. It's part of who we are.
Exactly. And we all eat differently. Today, I thought I'd take you through my usual day of eating. A simple day.
All right, I'm with you. Let's go.
So I wake up early, around 6:30, and the first thing I do, always, is drink a big glass of water. Cold water. It wakes me up.
Smart.
Then I make tea, usually green tea. I don't like eating right away, so I just sip my tea slowly. I sit by the window, watch the sky. It's quiet.
Do you eat later?
Yes, around 8. I make 2 slices of toast, sometimes with butter, sometimes peanut butter. If I'm in the mood, I scramble 2 eggs and add a few slices of tomato.
That sounds delicious and very balanced.
It fills me just enough. I don't like feeling too full in the morning.
I'm a little different. I usually wake up around 7:30. The first thing I do, coffee. Always coffee. Strong, black, no sugar.
A true coffee person.
Absolutely. Then I eat breakfast at the table. Usually oats with honey and banana. Sometimes I add cinnamon or a little bit of peanut butter if I'm feeling fancy.
Oats are great. They keep you full. Lunchtime for me is usually simple. I work from home, so I cook something fast. Today I made rice with lentils and spinach. A little garlic, some olive oil, salt. That's it.
That's one of my favorite combinations. For lunch, I like sandwiches. I take 2 slices of whole grain bread, put hummus, tomato, cucumber, and sometimes cheese.
So fresh.
It's easy and quick. I usually eat it with a side of fruit, an apple or orange, and of course, water or a second cup of coffee.
I'm more of a tea and fruit after lunch person. I make Robius tea and slice some apple or eat a few grapes. It gives me energy but doesn't make me sleepy. Dinner is my favorite meal. I like cooking in the evening. I put on music and just take my time.
That sounds nice.
Today I made pasta with a tomato and garlic sauce. I added mushrooms and spinach. I topped it with a little cheese. Just a little.
Perfect comfort food.
Yes. Sometimes I eat soup or rice with vegetables or a stir fry. I try to eat more plants in the evening. It helps me sleep better.
I usually eat something warm too. Tonight, I made roasted potatoes with carrots and peas. I added a little bit of butter and rosemary.
Simple but rich in flavor.
Exactly. I like to cook with few ingredients, but make them tasty. I eat slowly, then clean up the kitchen. That's part of my routine.
Do you snack at night?
Sometimes, if I'm still hungry, I eat a handful of nuts or a piece of dark chocolate. What about you?
Me too. Nuts or maybe one cookie. Just one. Okay, maybe 2.
And always tea.
Always. Chamomile before bed. It helps me sleep.
It's funny how food becomes part of our rhythm. Not just what we eat, but when and how.
And it's different for everyone. But talking about it like this makes you notice the small joys.
Now we're curious. What do you eat in a day?
You don't have to write a full menu. Just tell us one thing, your favorite breakfast or your usual lunch.
Try writing it in English in the comments. It's a great way to practice food vocabulary.
You can start like this. In the morning, I eat, or for lunch, I have.
We'd love to hear from you. Really. Food connects us.
Thanks for joining us in this cozy little moment.
See you next time and enjoy your next meal, whatever it is.
Bye
Bye
for
for
now.
now.